Maverick is in conflict with himself this evening. Should I speak my mind, as always, about the performance of the West Indies women team in England? Or do I avoid the issue and don't say nothing? Not my style. Stafanie Taylor and the rest of the West Indies women have been mercilessly flogged by their English counterparts. We get the impression that if the West Indies but 2 times and England but 1 time, England still beat them. And what is puzzling about these embarrassing performances is that it's the same core of talented, more experienced players playing their preferred T20 format, in which these same West Indies women were world champions as recently as 2016. And now they might move like some punching bag for England. It don't look good. As much as we pressure the men's West Indies team, Jason Holder and his men were much more competitive on their recent tour of England. I don't know what happened to the women's team. Make us show you how things embarrassing. Yeah, man, watch out now. You know when you look for something, but you don't want to see it. You look where you don't, you look where you don't want to see the eye to face. But I'm not to the West Indies women's team right now. I don't want to see this score. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it.